Unlock effortless automated photography on your Sony A1 with this quick guide to setting up timed shots. First, power on your Sony A1 and navigate to the shooting mode dial on top of your camera. Rotate it to the S or single shot mode. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's the starting point. Now, press the function button. This brings up the quick menu, giving you fast access to commonly used settings. Look for the icon that resembles a clock or a series of dots, which represents the interval timer. Select the interval shooting option. You'll now see several key settings to configure. The first is interval, which determines the time between each photo. You can set this from 1 second all the way up to 60 seconds, or even longer in increments. For example, to create a time lapse of clouds, you might set your interval to 10 seconds. If you're taking self-portraits, a 5-second interval is often perfect. Next, you'll see shots per interval. This allows you to choose how many photos are taken at each interval. You can set it to take just 1 shot, or up to 99 shots for a continuous time lapse. You'll typically want this set to 1. The final and crucial setting is start time. This is where you tell the camera and to begin your time sequence. You can either set it to immediate to start right away, or you can set a delay of up to 59 seconds before the first shot is taken, giving you time to get into position. Once you've set your desired interval, shots per interval, and start time, simply press the shutter button to activate the timer. The camera will count down based on your start time setting and then begin capturing your timed photos automatically. To stop the sequence, just press the shutter button fully. That's it. You've now successfully set up your Sony A1 for timed photos, opening up a world of creative possibilities for time lapses, group shots, and so much more. Happy shooting!